How to install ChatGPT in your Android device. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be guiding you with simple steps in order to do so let's just get started. So on your Android device, you can head over to the App Store, which is Play Store on your Android, and open it up on your device. Now once you open up Play Store, you can just go ahead and access each application. So you can head over to search bar in the bottom right corner, located usually in the bottom right, and tap on it. And you can use the search bar at the top, and you can just go ahead and type in ChatGPT directly onto the search. Once you type in that, you can easily find the results. You can just go ahead and look out for ChatGPT, the first one with this icon right here. And you can just go ahead and look out for install option on your screen and tap on it. Right now I have already installed it, but if you have also already installed it, you can easily look out for this update option if there is any update available. In order to install it, you just need to hit for install and wait for a bit, and it will start automatically installing on your device, and that should do it. So you may also follow up the same process if you would like to download ChatGPT on your Android device as well. It is very easy. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.